Want to make your next trip a breeze? In this video, I'll share 15 travel hacks that will save you time, money, and stress. Welcome to TravelQuest, your go-to channel for all things travel. Today, we're diving into some of the best travel tips and tricks to make your journeys smoother and more enjoyable. From packing like a pro to navigating airports efficiently, we've got you covered. Let's talk about packing. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them not only saves space, but also reduces wrinkles. This method allows you to fit more items into your suitcase to roll your clothes effectively. Lay each item flat, fold it in half, and then roll it tightly from one end to the other. For bulkier items like jeans or sweaters, try rolling them around smaller items to save even more space. Next, use packing cubes to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Packing cubes are small, lightweight bags that help you compartmentalize your belongings. You can group similar items together, such as tops in one cube and bottoms in another, making it easier to find what you need without digging through your entire suitcase. Additionally, packing cubes can compress your clothes, saving even more space. Don't forget to carry a portable luggage scale to avoid any surprise fees at the airport. Overweight baggage fees can be quite expensive, so it's essential to know the weight of your luggage before you arrive at the airport. A portable luggage scale is a small, handheld device that you can use to weigh your bags at home or on the go. This way, you can redistribute items between bags or remove unnecessary items to ensure you stay within the weight limit. Now, onto airport and flight hacks. Always check in online to save time and secure your preferred seat. Online check-in usually opens 24 to 48 hours before your flight, allowing you to bypass long lines at the airport. Additionally, checking in early can increase your chances of getting a better seat, whether it's a window, aisle, or extra legroom seat. Wear your heaviest item, like jackets and boots, to save precious baggage space. This tip is especially useful for winter travel when bulky clothing items can take up a lot of space in your suitcase. By wearing your heaviest items, you can free up room in your luggage for other essentials. Plus, wearing layers can help you stay comfortable in varying temperatures throughout your journey. Bring an empty water bottle to refill after passing through security. Staying hydrated is key. Many airports have water fountains or refill stations where you can fill up your bottle for free. This not only saves you money on buying expensive bottled water, but also helps reduce plastic waste. Staying hydrated during your flight can help prevent jet lag and keep you feeling refreshed. When it comes to accommodation, book directly with hotels whenever possible to get better deals and perks. Many hotels offer special rates, discounts, or added benefits like free breakfast or room upgrades when you book through their website. Additionally, booking directly can make it easier to manage your reservation and communicate any special requests. Use price comparison websites to ensure you're getting the best rate. Websites like Booking.com, Expedia, and Trivago allow you to compare prices across multiple booking platforms. This can help you find the best deal for your desired accommodation. Be sure to check the hotel's own website as well, as they may offer exclusive deals or match lower prices found elsewhere. Always check for hidden fees and read reviews to avoid any unpleasant surprises. Some hotels may charge extra for amenities like Wi-Fi, parking, or resort fees. Reading reviews from previous guests can give you a better idea of what to expect and help you avoid accommodations with hidden charges or poor service. Saving money while traveling is crucial. Use credit cards that don't charge foreign transaction fees. These fees can add up quickly, especially if you're making a lot of purchases abroad. Look for credit cards that offer travel rewards or cash back on travel-related expenses to maximize your savings. Withdraw cash from Atoms to get better exchange rates than currency exchange counters. Atoms typically offer more favorable exchange rates compared to currency exchange kiosks at airports or tourist areas. Just be sure to use Atoms from reputable banks to avoid high withdrawal fees or potential scams. Download offline maps to avoid data charges and ensure you can navigate even without internet access. Apps like Google Maps allow you to download maps for specific areas, which can be accessed without an internet connection. This is especially useful when traveling to remote areas or places with limited connectivity. Having offline maps can help you find your way around, locate attractions, and discover local restaurants and shops. Health and safety are paramount. Carry a small first aid kit with essentials like Band-Aids, pain relievers, and any necessary medications. A basic first aid kit can help you handle minor injuries or illnesses while on the road. Include items like antiseptic wipes, adhesive bandages, gauze pads, and tweezers. If you have any specific health conditions, make sure to bring enough medication to last your entire trip. Use a dummy wallet to deter pickpockets. Carry a wallet with a small amount of cash and expired cards to use as a decoy. If you're targeted by a pickpocket, they're more likely to take the dummy wallet, leaving your actual wallet and important items safe. Keep your real wallet in a more secure location, such as a money belt or hidden pocket. Always share your itinerary with someone you trust for added safety. Providing a trusted friend or family member with details of your travel plans, including flight information, accommodation addresses, and contact numbers, can be crucial in case of an emergency. This ensures that someone knows your whereabouts and can assist if needed. To truly experience the local culture, learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Simple greetings and phrases like hello, please, thank you, and where is can go a long way in making connections with locals and showing respect for their culture. There are many language learning apps and phrase books available to help you get started. Use public transportation to explore cities more authentically and affordably. Buses, trains, and trams can offer a unique perspective on a city and are often much cheaper than taxis or ride-sharing services. Public transportation also allows you to interact with locals and experience everyday life in your destination. Eat where the locals eat for the best and most genuine culinary experiences. Local restaurants, street food stalls, and markets often serve authentic dishes at lower prices than touristy establishments. Ask locals for recommendations or use apps like Yelp and TripAdvisor to find popular spots. Tech and gadgets can be a traveler's best friend. Pack a portable charger to keep your devices powered up. Whether you're using your phone for navigation, taking photos, or staying in touch with friends and family, having a portable charger ensures you won't run out of battery when you need it most. Use a VPN to secure your internet connection, especially on public Wi-Fi. A VPN virtual private network encrypts your internet traffic, protecting your personal information from hackers and cyber threats. This is particularly important when accessing sensitive accounts, such as online banking, while traveling. Download travel apps for navigation, translation, and other useful functions. Apps like Google Maps, Duolingo, and TripAdvisor can enhance your travel experience by providing directions, language assistance, and recommendations for things to do and places to eat. Many apps also offer offline features, which can be helpful when you don't have internet access. Here are a few miscellaneous hacks. Bring a reusable shopping bag for impromptu purchases or groceries. A lightweight, foldable bag can be handy for carrying souvenirs, snacks, or other items you pick up along the way. It also helps reduce plastic waste and is more environmentally friendly. Use hotel toiletries to save space in your luggage. Many hotels provide complimentary toiletries like shampoo, conditioner, soap, and lotion. Take advantage of these offerings to save space in your toiletry bag. If you have specific preferences or sensitivities, consider transferring your preferred products into travel-sized containers. Take photos of important documents like your passport, travel insurance, and itinerary, and store them in a safe place. Having digital copies of these documents can be a lifesaver if you lose the originals. Store them on your phone, in a cloud service, or email them to yourself for easy access. To wrap up, let's quickly recap the key hacks. Roll your clothes, use packing cubes, check in online, wear heavy items, bring an empty water bottle, book directly with hotels, use price comparison sites, avoid hidden fees, use no-fee credit cards, withdraw cash from atoms, download offline maps, carry a first aid kit, use a dummy wallet, share your itinerary, learn local phrases, use public transport, eat local, pack a portable charger, use a VPN, download travel apps, bring a reusable bag, use hotel toiletries, and take photos of important documents. We'd love to hear your travel hacks. Share them in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with fellow travelers. Thanks for watching TravelQuest, and happy travels!